Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2013 Chevy 3500 HD. This is a crew cab, long bed dually, LTZ package, has the Duramax Diesel with the Allison automatic transmission. This truck only has 35,000 miles and is very clean. Chrome bumpers front and rear park assist, factory tow package, backup camera. This truck does have a 9X spray-in bed liner. Guys, put a little step here on the tailgate to make it easier to get in and out of the bed. You've got a 7-pin plug, B&W turnover gooseneck bowl. You got a power sliding rear window. Factory running boards, tow mirrors. It's got the factory Alcoa wheels, cab lights, fog lights, front tow hooks, and all the tires. Let me show you right here. All the tires in the truck are in beautiful shape. Here's your fronts. Let me show you real quick. Here's the rears. Just a super sharp truck. Again, with only 35,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of it. This truck is fully loaded, being an LTZ. Got the nice silver accents, heated seats, air conditioning seats, memory driver's seat. You got power seats on both sides. This truck does have the black interior. You've got a couple little marks right here in the driver's seat. The rest of the seat's in beautiful shape. Does have the nice rubber factory liners. Factory trailer brake controller. Tilt wheel. Your four-wheel drive is right here. Cruise control is on the left side of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you've got your audio and voice. This truck does have Bluetooth. Now, it's got a little bit of wear right here in the steering wheel. Looks like they had one of those little round knobs to make it turn easier. So, just got a little bit of wear right here on the steering wheel. But this truck has 35,611 miles. Factory navigation, automatic dual zone climate control, adjustable foot pedals. There's for your rear park assist, factory exhaust brake. This truck again does have the backup camera. It's going to be pointing at the ground since we've got the tailgate open. You got OnStar, Bluetooth, HomeLink controls. It's garage door openers. There's your sunroof controls. There's your power sliding rear window. So factory sunroof, factory rear sliding window. You got a nice big center console. You got a 12-volt outlet and a USB charger in there as well. Driver rear door panel looks perfect. The rear seats are in beautiful shape. They don't even look like they've had much seat time back here. Maybe not even none at all. The seats flip up. Gives you almost a completely flat floor here in the rear if you need to put anything inside the cab. Here's another look at your dash. Passenger rear door panel again looks perfect. If you're looking for a low mileage dually, this is a very nice truck, and it is fully loaded. A lot of the LTZ trucks, you know, they'll have leather and heated seats. It's tough to find them all with, you know, with the air conditioning seats, sunroof, navigation, backup camera. With everything that this has, power sliding rear window, this one has it all. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.6 liter LML Duramax Diesel. This truck is 100% stock airbox, stock exhaust. Hi, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and I have nationwide shipping available. Thank you.